What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So if you have seen my tweet just a few minutes or a few hours ago on Twitter, people trade. I think this is going 1000% trade. All right, so my entry point a while ago went up a little bit negative, but we have managed to reach our target. I'm gonna share with you the chart and what will be the possible target. I'm still holding my FTT trade, guys, and Binance has been sending me a lot of message about funding fee. I need to pay for funding fee for holding the trade. All right, so let's check what's the target in the coming days and weeks. And if you have watched the stream yesterday, we have seen the bounce up to the major support, and we have seen the rejection right now. So watch the entire stream. I'm gonna share with you what will be my possible price action and scenario for Bitcoin and some of the altcoins today. All right, so let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. You're looking right now at people's chart, guys. We looks like we are seeing a little bounce near that 200-day moving average, but later on I'm gonna show you what will be the target of this trade. All right, so right now I'm around 800%. This was shared in our VIP Discord, but unfortunately I will not be able to share the exact trade on Twitter, but instead I have shared just a clue on Twitter today. All right, so let me open up the chart. Not the chart, but a quick disclaimer before we discuss anything else. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. So congratulations, guys, to those who were able to answer the trade or the people's short entry. So let's check today the chart and the possible target for FTT and what is the current situation in the market. KUCOIN, there are circulating information that KUCOIN is having some problem with the funds. I haven't confirmed the information yet. I haven't done my research, but I have received an update or an email rather, which I have shared in our VIP Discord from KUCOIN itself. All right. So we have right now XCN. This is new, guys. Let me know what token is this. We have also FTT negative 24.4 today. We have Cheese or Chili's today positive 9.7. MKR and HT showing up here. AVAX negative 10.1. So KUCOIN negative 8.3% today. Fear and greed index still in the extreme fear level. So this is something that you need to watch out, guys. This level here, usually below 10 or around 10, marks the possible bottom for Bitcoin. So we have, let me check some of our viewers today. We have Ray France first today. Thanks for joining me on this live stream, although I'm very late today. Maitza Martina, welcome to the live stream. Eric Finder, hey guys, much love. Zenbadzu, hello all. Gift me your VIP Discord. Gift me your VIP Discord, please. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, support the channel, and I'm going to run a giveaway. Free VIP Discord access. And by the way, if you download and register or create an account in BITGET, then you can gain exclusive access to our VIP Discord. All you have to do is just to create an account using my referral link. In that way, I will be getting a commission for some of the trades, but it will not be deducted to you. That is a disclosure and disclaimer. So that's how you gain access to VIP, guys. VIP Discord. All you have to do is to create an account, deposit an amount that you would like to trade, and then you can send the user ID. All right. So fear and greed index right now is still in the extreme fear level, number 25. And let's check the amount liquidation in the past 24 hours here. We have also Abdul Kalam joining our stream. We have Kunal Kanwar. Osama Faisal, already followed you. I'm Osama Faisal. I'm your big fan. Wow. Welcome to the stream, guys. We have here 54.16% long has been liquidated in the past 4 hours, although we have very small volume today. Little movement, but the entire day I have been waiting for Bitcoin to move. I have done several trades in BitGet, copy trade. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum, mostly I'm trading there. I'm sticking with the safest. I think these two, in my own opinion, are the safest to trade. So I'm only trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, sometimes a little bit of small caps, but most of the time Bitcoin and Ethereum. 56% long has been liquidated in the past 24 hours here. $101 million has been liquidated. And let's check what is happening with FTT and FTX. Binance did not proceed with the deal, but right now SBF is talking to Tron, and Tron have released a statement today that they are going to do their due diligence before they're going to conclude about the deal. All right, so FTX, let's check some of the market happenings here, and let me update you of what is happening with the overall crypto market. So November 6th, just a quick summary here. November 2 report, SBF founded company held significant amount of FTT. So this is the first issue, guys, where the smoke came out. And here, whale alert, 22 billion FTT transferred from a known wallet to Binance. All right, so this started the spark. Trackers pick up significant FTT movement to Binance, and we have seen the release of statement from Caroline here. Alameda CEO explains. So Caroline is the CEO of Alameda, and if you don't know, previously Alameda Research is owned by SBF. If you're not aware, you can check that on Google. You can verify that information. All right, so here's one announcement from Caroline. The balance sheet breaks out a few of our biggest long position. We obviously have hedged that aren't listed given the tightening in crypto credit space this year. We've returned most of our loans by now. All right, so they're trying to cover up, I think, at this point. And we have here now Zize, as part of Binance exit from FTX equity. Last year, Binance received roughly 2.1 billion US dollar equivalent in BUSD and FTT. Due to the recent revelation that have came to light, we have decided to liquidate any remaining FTT on our books. So previously I've shared as well the amount of holdings or the amount of FTT that Binance are currently holding and what will be the effect of this to FTT price. So this is the time that I have decided to short FTT, and I have shared the chart of the inverse cup and handle pattern if you have been watching the stream. So November 6, Binance moved to liquidate FTT holdings due to the recent revelation. So based on that FTT holdings, I concluded that there will be no other way but to the downside for FTT. So I have started to enter the trade and made a decision at that point. I'm willing to risk some amount on this specific trade. So here, Alameda CEO offers to buy Binance. So this is now the confusion, where the confusion happened. When Caroline tweeted that and tagged Zize, if you're looking to minimize the market impact of your FTT sales, Alameda will happily buy it all from you today at $22. So someone also have shared a chart that if Alameda Research will bought all the FTT from Binance, there will be no effect in price. But we have seen the price action from FTT just continues to go down. If they are doing, if they are buying on the other side, it will not be, it will not affect the FTT price. But November 6, we have seen the move to the downside, and there's just capitulation on that specific day. So here, another FTX bank run begins. Exchange addresses sluggish withdrawal. So now the withdrawal slowed down on November 7. SBF says assets are fine. Explore Zize come together. So here they are starting to coordinate with Zize and trying to come up with a solution how to save FTX or FTT. FTX faces liquidity crunch, move to sell, exchange to Binance. All right, so this was like 3 days ago when Zize have announced that they might acquire or they might take over FTX, but the deal didn't happen due to after the due diligence from Binance, they have decided to back out from the deal. SBF remove assets are fine. Tweet FTX website go dark. So next day, November 8 to 9, website went down and withdrawals are being stopped at that moment. November 9, Binance officially backs out from the agreement. Crypto market at sea of red. November 9, we have seen a massive move. My trade went up to negative or positive 25,000% from FTT, guys. And I've shared some of my position in not only in Discord, but I've shared it live. My trade, I've shared it live. I've discussed it live on my live stream before it crashed, guys. All right, so I'm gonna share with you the chart shortly. So let's just move on quickly here. And by the way, if you can verify the information, I don't know if it's true, but someone are saying I've seen some tweet talking about, I think some of the big channels talking about the father of Caroline is actually related to some of the government official, but that is just what I've heard or what I've seen on Twitter. That is not verified information. So I'm just sharing with you if you can verify that information. That is, I think something is going on much bigger at the back end of this entire story. So November 11, Alameda employee resigned collectively after a meeting. So we have seen resignation. I think the legal team have resigned as well from FTX. Why we're discussing this right now? Because I think I'm gonna share with you the chart shortly about FTT, guys, and I think we are heading more to the downside. And this is something you need to watch out. I'm still holding my short position, guys. November 11, if Justin Sun will back out of the deal, I think FTX is going to that target that I have mentioned a while ago. All right. So watch out for that in the coming days. That is just a brief summary of what had happened to the market and why we are in the sea of blood right now. All right, so here I've seen one trade. I've shared one trade in our Discord group, and also I have tweeted, but I cannot share my live trade on Twitter. But this was the initial position that I took in our Discord group. I'm gonna open the Discord group right now. So here's the announcement section of our VIP Discord, and here's the some statement from KUCOIN. All right, so here, guys, here's also one trade a while ago from BTC and some of our copy trades. So BTC 107%. Most of the longs are up right now. Takes some profit along the way. And here is the entry point for people. It went -9. I think it went up to negative, not sure, negative 50, I think. And then when I check, now it turns green. 53, 74, 102, 205, 304, 326. And here's the update, guys. 829% from people. 710. Chill, what you have done at this coins? So, you know, guys, in the past 2 days, I have shorted FTT from $23. Now we have this very wonderful trade from people. So I have tweeted as well. Check this time, guys. 6 p.m. the price of people. This is the time where I've entered my short position, guys. And I think here's the chart. Here's the chart, guys. So right now we are seeing a small bounce here, but if you're going to check at the daily time frame, this is actually the usual price action from people. So if you can see, we have a previous pump similar to this, but eventually it went down. So I think this has a higher probability that this will revisit this area here, the support trend line or the yellow line here, similar to this price action. So we might see in the coming days, if you're still, I think this is right now 1000%. Let me check. 864, 890, 900%. One sec, guys. So I have closed 80% of the trade already. Here's the update. Let me go back to our stream. So I have closed 80% of the trade already, guys, and just gonna leave the 20%. I don't think people is going back up anytime soon here. So the trade is almost certain 80% safe right now. So I have adjusted stop loss back to entry, and I don't think it's going back anytime, any moment at this level here. But I think we might see some consolidation at this point here and eventually revisit this support. So I think this is somewhere around 1,000 to 1,200% trade, guys. All right, so that's for people. Congratulations again to those who were able to enter the trade. Chill, are you still holding BTC long? I'm still holding my long position, guys, and I've started to DCA at this point. I can DCA even lower, but I think at this point I'm gonna discuss with you the chart of Bitcoin. So this was the previous chart, guys. So let's just make this in sequence. Let's discuss first people. So I think people might consolidate at this point at around this area here, 0.021, 0.27, but eventually going to revisit 0.012, and I'm estimating around 1,200% gain from my current trade. All right, so let's proceed with let me know if you have any questions. If you are in the VIP, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to read charts, let me know in the comment section down below so I can explain it now. All right, I'm gonna send a message right now in our VIP Discord so they can join. All right, 1 minute. All right, so I just would like to take this opportunity right now. If you are a member of our VIP Discord, and if you don't know how to read charts, if you don't know how to enter a trade setup, VIP Discord is not a signal group. I don't recommend signal group. I don't like signal group. But what I want is for our members and our community to know how to read charts and know how to trade. All right. So if you don't know how to read charts, or if you don't know how to enter trade setups like what we have in our VIP Discord, please ask right now so I can explain how I do my trades and how you can enter. Oh my goodness, this is still moving down. 1000%, guys. So so the title of the video right now is people 1000% trade. Let me just share this on Twitter because I try to go on live before it reach 1000%. So right now it's 1000%. We have reached the target. My title, I made the title very quickly. People 1000% trade. As we are discussing right now, it is 1000%, guys. So let me open our you know, it's hard to trade and to do live as well, if you know what I'm saying, and especially if you're doing it on several exchanges. So here, let me share it here, guys. So VIP Discord, top traders, this should be in the legend section right now. This should be in the legend section right now, guys. So congratulations again. The title or the thumbnail of the video says it all, guys. 1000% people trade. Congratulations to our VIPs in Discord. All right. All right. So, to those who are new in our VIP Discord, guys, some trades like this, like people, this moves very fast. I don't have time to draw on a chart, market on a chart. So what I'm doing usually, previously in our Discord group, we have like high risk trade where I share my card. So now I'm sharing it in the announcement section like this. And we have done several trades in our VIP Discord where I'm sharing my entry point, guys. So let me just scroll back very quickly here just to show you. By the way, Moon Carl following Chill Trader here, guys, 1.2 million follower. If you know Moon Carl, so right now he's following Chill Trader. That is a milestone right there. So here, let's just proceed with our current trade here. So we have some very important announcement. If you are a member of our Discord group, make sure you always watch out for the announcement section. I have very important alpha messages in our announcement section, guys. Before Solana went down, I have announced this before anyone else on Twitter have announced or have noticed this 18 million Solana about to hit the market within 24 hours. So this is going to be part of the liquidity supply. And nobody shared this on Twitter, guys, until they have seen the price going down. But this is the first in Discord here. So Solana 106%, 236, 306%, 353%. That is using 20x leverage, guys, from 18. It went down up to 1000% or more. What's the current price of Solana right now? I have closed a trade here because I have put like a decent amount of margin at that time. And also Alameda Research transferred 2.9 before Polygon Matic went down. I have announced this in our VIP Discord, guys. And here's the transaction record here. And also today I have shared this people trade, and I have made a thumbnail here. This is the thumbnail that I've just made just now. All right, so this is the thumbnail, guys. 1000% VIP trade for people. A while ago this was around 600%, so right now we have reached the target, guys. We have reached the target, 1000% for people. So congratulations. So if you don't know how to read this card, by the way, if you're new to our VIP Discord, if you don't know how to read card, this was my entry point here. And for you to plot this on the chart, 0.03126 was the entry point, was my entry point. This is the point where I entered the trade. So when I shared the trade, it was still negative. So you might get even better position than me, guys, because when I shared this, it was on negative. So at around this area here, this green area, 31 something, somewhere here, we have entered our short. Why? I'm gonna share it with you in the lower time frame. This was the time where people having a hard time. You see, we have some formation of lower lows here, we have some rejection here, and this is the time where we entered our short position, and that was beautiful short entry point. And again, I think in the coming days this is going down to revisit the yellow line here. That's around 1,200, even 1,500%. I cannot calculate the actual percentage right now, but the target or the thumbnail in our videos shows 1000%. We have actually reached the target right now. So congratulations, guys. So again, if you don't know how to read charts in our VIP Discord, I don't know if I can share some of our trades right now here. Here, guys, I'm just gonna do a sample here. I'm just gonna do a sample chart. So for FTT, let's discuss this very quickly, guys. If FTT is going to drop below 2.5 or below 2, my next target will be this guy here. If you don't know this guy, he said that Bitcoin is going to 0. All right. So here we have a wick. We have a wick. If you're going to check the chart, we have a very strong wick. Usually, if you trade, there is a possibility that FTX or FTT might revisit this area here if this support line will be broken. All right. So what level is this? This is the 2.5 level, guys. And right now, where is the chart? So right now, the price of FTT is just hovering at this level here. All right. So if this doesn't hold, guys, this is the next price action that I'm expecting for FTT. If this will hold, then we might see a possible price action like this. Breaking this resistance here, retest of support here. We have another resistance. So we might get a traffic at this point here until 7. But if this daily candle closes below this daily candles here, this one, where's my brush? So below this, if this daily candle closes below 2.24, then it is likely that we might get a revisit of this area here, 0.3. FTX is going to 0.5 level if the daily candle closes below 2.1 area. Ah, I was mute. I was on mute. So at which part I was muted? I don't know which part I was muted, guys. So I was talking the entire time here. For Bitcoin, by the way, what I'm saying is this is not a financial advice. If you're looking for a financial advice, you are in a wrong channel. You're looking at a wrong channel, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. What I can give you is technical analysis and my own opinion about what will be the possible price target and price action for some of our charts here. So for Bitcoin, I'm currently holding my long at around 16.7 or 16.8. I think this could be the possible bottom range for Bitcoin. Some are saying $10,000. Some are saying even lower. But for me, I think based on my own analysis, based on my own research, if you have been following me on Twitter, guys, I have tweeted, I'm going to repeat, I'm going to share this with you again. I have made a video, January 18, 2022. Bitcoin will revisit 14K on November 10, 2022. And I think so far, this is the most accurate analysis in the Twitter or the crypto Twitterverse. All right. So I haven't seen anyone tweeted as this early, January 18, 2022. I have seen like someone tweeted 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 1 week ago about Bitcoin possibly hitting 14,000, 10,000. There are a lot of speculation, but this one was published long time ago, and I have made a chart. I have made a chart long time, guys. I have made a chart here for Bitcoin possible bottom price. This was the analysis long time. All right. So this one right here, which one is that? All right. This is another one. Very interesting. This was published when everyone was so bullish about Bitcoin, guys. Fourth quarter of 2022, November, I have already made this target at $20,000 when Bitcoin was just trading at around 40,000. So this was shared ahead of time. And right now, I have made a video previously about Bitcoin hitting 14,000 November 10, 2022. Although we haven't hit the target, we are almost hit 15,000. 15,800. I think that is good enough. That is just super accurate considering that the tweet was made and the video was made January of this year. So I think we might hit the possible bottom at this area here. Maximum $13,600. All right. So this should be the line here. This should be the bottom based on my previous analysis. But we have a range here. We have a range. So right now, I'm trying to DCA at this point. I don't care. DCAing up to this area here. And if you know how to do proper position sizing and proper risk management, then this is very manageable. This area is very manageable, guys. All right. So if we go lower, then I have to do a stop loss and re-enter at a lower position. But right now, I'm trying to accumulate for long term. I think right now, Bitcoin is at the point of opportunity for long term, to accumulate for long term. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong, guys. We could go to zero tomorrow. I don't know. But based on my own analysis, based on the previous price action, I think right now we are in the biggest financial opportunity at this point, at this level. I think Bitcoin in the future is going higher. Even 40,000, 60,000 is good enough for me. That is already 3x, 4x at this point. So shorter time frame, Yesterday, I've discussed that Bitcoin might revisit the major support, and this could get rejected at this point. So I think we might see some price. Let me make some price action here. Let me just delete all of this. So major price action will be this orange line. We might see a possible revisit of this area and get rejected. Major good short entry point could be at around 19,500. So for now, I think the next possible scenario, we might hover at this point, retest then this area at 18,700. We might get rejected here. And possibly hit this level and then back to this level, and then we move to the next year, 2023, 1 year of upside movement up to 30 to 40,000. I think next year that will be my target, and then a sharp drop back to the previous low. Then we proceed with the bull market 2024, 2025. So that is an exclusive Chill Traders target long term in just tonight's live. So that's the price action for Bitcoin. I've been talking too much here. Let me check what's the current time right now. So 39 minutes. Let's check Ethereum, last chart for tonight before we end the stream. And let me know if you have any questions, guys, so I can answer it now. Let's check. Let's go back to people. Let me check my trade, by the way. $1,167% right now. People's trade. $1,167 people's trade. Let me find my video thumbnail here. And let me know if you have any question or chart request. We'll try to check it before we end the stream very quickly while I'm doing my stuffs here. People trade as the thumbnail of the video suggests. Congratulations, congratulations to the VIPs. We're still holding the trade. One sec, guys. One sec. Watch out for Polkadot. I have tweeted the range that I'm looking at specifically for Polkadot. If you're not yet following me on Twitter, feel free. The link is on the description down below. All my social media accounts, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, I'm sharing most of my trades on my social media accounts. Alright, so let me check some of the chats here. Chill, can you share your hold portfolio long term? Right now, I'm still holding a bunch of cash, but my current average for Bitcoin right now is at 18,000 to 17,500. 18,000. Ethereum, 1,100 currently is my average. Altcoins, I'm gonna share with you, there will be specific time for altcoins and for 10x and 100x gems. We are going to find those when we're about to go up. Not right now, because altcoin might drop by another 50 to 80% at this current level. In my own opinion, not a financial advice, but altcoins microcaps could still drop 50 to 80% at this level. Solana possible entry point. I don't know what's happening with Solana right now. I haven't checked the price of Solana, but let's check the chart actually. Where's Solana? Change. All right, so let me find Solana here before we end the stream. Last chart. Here is Solana. So for Solana, guys, we have the previous support here. We have the previous support, this one. This now will act as a resistance for Solana. Resistance. Let's check the lower time frame. But we have a zone here, guys. We have a traffic at around this level. Let me make a box. Right. Oh, so we are right now up. We are above the support right now. So let's check the lower time frame. Let's check RSI. RSI is about to reverse here, but MACD is still looking very bearish. 4-hour time frame, we have RSI in the overbought area. Right now, I'm trying to make a deal with algo indicator, and they're right now modifying my adding some script on my trading view account. Soon we will have that. I don't know if they will be able to figure out. They're trying to figure out the integration for the past week. They're trying to integrate algo indicator on my trading view account. Let's check how it works. But if we can have that, we can have more confluence, guys. Not only my analysis, but we can have algo indicator adding to our confluences here. So let's check if they will be able to finish that one in the coming days. I'm gonna share it with you, and I can do some live on YouTube while you can check that algo indicator, so you can trade while I'm away. All right. So for Solana, guys, we have some resistance exactly at this point. Look at that price action in the 4-hour time frame. This was the previous support turned into a resistance, and right now we have this area here. We have some traffic at around this area, guys. Orange line, we have some traffic on this area, so possible retest of support. Right now, this is the middle trade. This is the top of the traffic area or the zone. This is the top, guys. So right now this could be a breakout and a possible retest of support, but I don't think this is going to hold. So let's check. This could be the quick long entry point. Green line 12.6 could be a quick long entry point, but if this doesn't hold, then Solana might continue to move down. I don't know what's the update about Solana. Is high risk trade, guys, because of Alameda Research. They are holding a bunch of Solana tokens right now, so I don't know how much they still have on their account. I need to verify that information, but right now I'm not trading Solana until I found out how much they have left in their account, because if Justin Sun is going to back out from the FTX trade, we might see FTT going or revisiting that 0.5 area. So for Solana, this is my price action in the coming days, and this could be the key level here that you need to watch out. 12.6 right now. No trade zone for this one. Previous support turned into a resistance at $18.8. So that's it for tonight, guys. thanks for joining me. Congratulations and thank you from DevD. Thanks guys for joining me tonight in our tonight's stream. We have also Rachel Firma here, all in on SHIB. Rachel Firma 17, Solana 17, Solana entry point. So for current level of Solana, no trade zone for me, guys. Again, thanks for joining me. Congratulations to the VIPs and to those who are on Twitter. Some of my Twitter follower are actually trading most of my. There's one guy there who's following most of my trades. So congratulations to those who are following me on Twitter. And of course, trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.